Good morning, good morning, good morning, Renaissance. It is Miss Smith, and now is about time for us to get back to our academics. Today is Monday, March 30th. Hey, what are you feeling today? What is one interesting thing that you have done or learned over the last few days? Well, first, I am feeling a little depressed. I miss you guys, but I'm going to get through it with the grace of God. And one of the most interesting things I've learned over this last few days is that I am not a runner. I love track, but I raced my son and he slaughtered me. So, answer those two questions for today. Today's assignment will be read an Asia passage. As you see, here's the passage. It is the geography of Asia. Now, we've been working on Asia for the last 2 weeks. Actually just a week because we were out. So thank you. And before I continue, I would like to give a quick shout out to Demaya, Ileana, Nash, and Angel. Those are the only 4 scholars in 5th and 6th grade that have completed their country essay. So if you have not done it, please get it done. You are to read this passage and you're going to answer the multiple choice questions. How you're going to do this is if you go into your Google Classroom, I have a document and it has Monday answers on it. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on yours. I already have it numbered and you're just going to write in A, B, C, or D for each answer that you have. You have a total of 6 questions. So it's really easy, really simple, really straightforward. Just want you to learn a little bit more about Asia. We will be finishing up with Asia as of Friday and moving into South America because you guys already know I need to go to Brazil. So again, I love you. I miss you. And for Monday, answer the 2 questions. What are you feeling? What is one interesting thing that you have done or learned over the last few days? Read the Asia passage and answer the questions. 6 questions. Smooches.